Hi, this is Rakesh and you're watching Real Technology. In this video, we will show you how to install internet speed meter in your laptop or desktop. So let's start. Open browser and paste this URL. This URL is available in the video description, so you can copy paste it. So just click here and install the setup. I already installed the setup, so I'll click on open. For you have to install the setup. It will show the install option. Maybe it will take 1 or 2 minutes depending on your internet speed. Okay, so it is showing here on the desktop, on taskbar also, so we can drag and drop anywhere. I will set on the taskbar here. Okay, so now right click on this icon and open settings. Once open, you can change bit and bytes from here. Few more thing you can do from here, that is font size, and from here you can change the color background of this menu. So we will select transparent. Okay, looks good. Close it. Now it is showing the upload and download speed here. We have few more options. We can exit the application from here. We have few shortcuts available here. You can try all these shortcuts. These are very useful shortcuts. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.